In Instagram Media Gallery download not working, showing this error download failed. Please try again error problem. In this tutorial I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see the step. For fixing this problem, first of all swipe down notification bar and check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is working properly. Then turn on flight mode for few seconds. After few seconds, turn off flight mode. Now go to Play Store, click on search bar and search for Instagram. From here, update your Instagram apps in latest version, if available any update version. After completing update process, now go back to home screen. Then find Instagram apps. Long press on Instagram apps. Now open Instagram app info. Click on I button or app info. Then go to storage option. Now clear cache your Instagram storage. Click on clear cache and then go back. Now click on force stop. Click on OK to confirm. After this step, now go back to home screen and then restart your device. After restart your device, now go to Instagram and then go to media gallery option. And say media downloaded successfully.